Ready to ditch typing in credit card details and supercharge your Mac payments? Today, we're diving into how to use your Apple Watch to pay with Apple Pay on your Mac, unlocking a secure and seriously convenient shopping experience. Let's get started. First, make sure Apple Pay is set up on both your Mac and your Apple Watch. On your Mac, go to System Preferences, then click on Wallet and Apple Pay. You'll see a list of cards you've already added to Apple Pay. If you haven't added any yet, click the Add Card button and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to add the same cards you have on your Apple Watch for a seamless experience. Now, on your iPhone, open the Apple Watch app, scroll down, and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay here. Ensure the cards you want to use on your Mac are also present. Okay, let's put this into action. Head to your favorite online store on your Mac and add something to your cart. When you're ready to check out, choose Apple Pay as your payment method. The Apple Pay payment sheet will pop up on your Mac. Review the purchase details and shipping information to make sure everything is correct. Now, this is where the magic happens. Your Apple Watch will display a notification prompting you to double-click the side button to authorize the payment. Simply double-click the side button on your Apple Watch. You'll feel a gentle tap on your wrist, and a green check mark will appear on your watch face, confirming the payment. Back on your Mac, you'll see the payment processing and you will be redirected to an order confirmation page. And that's it. You've successfully made an Apple Pay purchase on your Mac using your Apple Watch. Enjoy the speed, security, and simplicity of this awesome feature.